Make sure you are connected to the internet. Open Fixed Platform app. Input user ID or email address and password. Tap Login. Select Access rights to the device location. Confirm certificate download and proceed. Enter activation key, or scan QR code. Enter company name. After successful registration, tap Detectors. The app starts scanning for available detectors. Check that the detector is within Bluetooth range. Tap the detector and confirm pairing request. Then, confirm the detector. Tap Set New Access PIN. Tap Scan QR code. Set 4-digit access PIN and confirm. After data sync has been completed, choose Active or Inhibit mode. Tap Continue. The detector has been registered. The app will return to the main screen.